Changing your phone number on your Yahoo Mail account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Sign into Yahoo Mail. Open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Mail login page. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Access account info. Once logged in, click on your profile name or icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Info to enter your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Account Security. In the Account Info section, look for the Account Security option on the left sidebar. Click on it to proceed to the security settings of your account. Step 4. Update phone number. Within the Account Security section, find the Phone Numbers option. Click on it and you will see your current phone number listed. Select the option to edit or add a new phone number. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, make sure to save the changes. You may be asked to verify the new number via a text message or call. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. Now your phone number is updated on your Yahoo Mail account. Regularly check your account settings to ensure all information is current.